哦，对了，这是您的手机，您的钱包，您的钥匙。
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with the series Oh My Drama Lover, 超时空恋人, Episode 1. The link of the original video is given in the description.
医生，我问题大吗？
没有一点问题。
有 means to have. Like 我有一个女朋友. It means I have a girlfriend. 有 also means to exist, like there is, there are. For example, 房子里有人. There is someone in the house. Now, 问题 means problem. How to say there is a problem? 有问题. How to say there is no problem? 没有问题, because 有 is negated with 没. Now, let's get back to the sentence in the video. 医生，我问题大吗？医生 means doctor. Doctor, is my problem big? The next sentence. 没有一点问题. 一点 means a little, a bit. It means there isn't a bit problem. No problem at all.
医生，我问题大吗？
没有一点问题。
钱组长，袁教授已经在里面了，里面请吧。
谢谢。
In the video, the secretary on the right hand calls the woman on the left 钱组长. Now let's break it down. 钱 is a surname. 组 means group. 长 leader. So, 组长 means group leader. The structure we use is surname plus title. In this example, surname is Qian and the title is 组长. A group leader whose surname is Qian. Another example in the video. 袁教授. Yuan is the surname. 教授 means professor. So, 袁教授 means Professor Yuan, a professor whose surname is Yuan.
钱组长，袁教授已经在里面了，里面请吧。
谢谢。
怎么样？现在好些了吗？
没什么大问题。
First, let's get to the second sentence. 没什么大问题. 没 is actually 没有. It means there is no. In 没有, 有 can be omitted. 什么 means what. It also means something, anything. Here it means something, anything. So, 没什么大问题 means there isn't any big problem. How to say expensive? 贵 means expensive. Now, how to say a bit more expensive? In Chinese, this is expressed by the structure adjective plus 一点 or 一些. So, a bit more expensive in Mandarin Chinese is 贵一点 or 贵一些. Let's see another example. 好一点 means a little better. We could also say 好一些. It also means a little better. Note that in this structure, 一 before 点 and 些 can be omitted. So instead of 好一点, we could say 好点. Also, instead of 好一些, we could say 好些. They both mean the same. Now, we know that 好些 means a little better. So, 你好些 means you are a little better. If we add 了 and say 你好些了, it means you have become a little better. Because 了 indicates change of a state. 现在你好些了吗? Have you become a little better? Of course, in the video, the pronoun 你 is omitted because it can be implied.
怎么样？现在好些了吗？
没什么大问题。
Now, here's a question for you. 便宜 means cheap. How to say this book is a little cheaper than that one? Write down the answer in the comment section. Watch the video until the end and you'll find the answer.
不过你放心，我会对你负责的。
不过你放心。不过 means but, quite similar to 可是 and 但是。放心 what does it mean? Let's break it down. 放 means set free, release, and 心 means heart. So 放心 means feel relieved, not worry. 负责 means take responsibility or be responsible. Here it is used in the structure 对 plus something or someone plus 负责. It means be responsible for something or someone. 我对你负责. It means I'm responsible for you. But in the video, the man says 我会对你负责的. What's the function of 会 and 的? 会 is an auxiliary verb which means be likely to. That is, it is possible that something might happen. 会 also means be sure to. That is, something will definitely happen. So, meaning of 会 as an auxiliary verb depends on the context. It means be sure to, especially when it is accompanied by the at the end of the sentence. So, 我会对你负责的 means I will definitely be responsible for you. I can assure you that I will be responsible for you.
不过你放心，我会对你负责的。
Before we move on, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
行了，大家赶快吃饭啊！吃完饭工作。
行 means alright, okay. Just like 好. If we add 了 and say 行了 or 好了, it means it's enough. 大家赶快吃饭。大家 means everyone. 赶快 at once, quickly. Literally it means everyone quickly eat food. 吃晚饭工作. The word 完 is a complement which indicates completion of an action. The structure is verb plus 1. For example, 吃饭 means eat food. 吃 is the verb. So, 吃晚饭 means eat and finish food. Now, 吃晚饭工作 means after you ate food and finished eating, go to work.
行了，大家赶快吃饭啊！吃完饭工作。
哦，对了，这是您的手机，您的钱包，您的钥匙。
对了 means by the way. It's used when you suddenly remember something that you wanted to mention. Now, let's learn some new words. 手机 mobile phone. 钱包 wallet. Because 钱 means money and 包 means bag. So, 钱包 means money bag. 钥匙 means key.
哦，对了，这是您的手机，您的钱包，您的钥匙。对了，组长， 你明天早上要吃什么早餐？
哦，不用不用不用，
你明天早上要吃什么早餐？明天 means tomorrow. 早上 morning. 早餐 breakfast. Literal translation. You tomorrow morning want to eat what breakfast? The woman says 不用 in response. 不用 means no need to. In the context of this video, it means no need to buy breakfast for me.
对了，组长，你明天早上要吃什么早餐？
哦，不用不用不用了。
Now, let's get back to the question of this video. This book is a little cheaper than that one. How to say this in Mandarin Chinese? 这本书比那本书便宜点。Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.